we're gonna do something that Joshua taught me, a little technique to turn your body into your own ghost and paranormal medium. I want you to take your hands, we're gonna run them together real brisk. Do that for a few seconds until you got a little bit of a burn going up there, and then hold your palms together, very, very close together. Start kneading them back and forth, slowly. You'll start to notice there's a tingling feeling. That is an electromagnetic type of tingle that you got going on in your hands. You put your hands out once you get that feeling. If you notice a tingle, that is a really, really good chance to take a picture, because you may have something directly in front of you. As a matter of fact, as you're taking pictures on this tour, I recommend taking 2 pictures. Anytime you take a picture, snap 2. If you get something in one picture and not in the other, there's a good chance you have something there. And if you're skeptical about getting things here in the middle of Vegas, I know some people personally who got a picture down at the New York. They were standing in front of a blank wall and they caught a full apparition directly behind them. The face of a person showed up in their picture where nobody was standing. So you can get those at any time.